first told me about Dan. She told me she had met this amazing guy, but she was so upset because he was going to be leaving for the Navy. She was so distraught, she wasn't sure if she was going to see him again. But obviously, they couldn't stay away from each other because here we are tonight.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful.
Dan, this is the part where I'm supposed to tell you, don't hurt my best friend or I'll kill you. But luckily, I don't have to say any of that. I know how much you love Lauren, and I know how perfect you guys for each other.
When the wind moves along your face, it captures everything I long to say. So don't look back, love, and don't you wait. Just say you'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful.
I'm so beyond happy to be standing up here today because I know Lauren has found her soulmate, and I know that her and Dan have so many amazing memories ahead of them. So can everyone please raise their glasses to Lauren and Dan? May the happiness and love you feel tonight only be the start of a wonderful life ahead.